Kala ko, Jojo mo, Jojo eh.
Sorry. Yun ang una.
Ikaw. Good luck.
Okay, gentlemen,
Good luck ha, huwag mong katalunin ha.
this is a handicap 6, so whoever wins gross will be the champion.
Okay.
Teka, ba't naghihintay
Oh.
ito? Ay, ba't naghihintay ito?
Did you guys hit already?
Yeah, their line is gone. Their line is through.
Ah, okay, thank you.
Only one hole. One hole.
Okay, that's one going right in the middle.
Ano ang sinabi mo sa presyo? Sinabi mo. Close. Okay, right. Okay. Only two of them.
Okay, we're going to the balls. This is Joby's second shot. Playoff hole is hole number 13. Sounded good, and you can see it. Check. This is just second shot. Uh-oh, it landed to the left. There it is. Oh, Joby ended up short. About maybe 70 yards from the pin. Looks good. I think he's still further away, so nandun, lampas ng green eh.
Ah?
Lampas ng green, nasa rough.
So, hitting 4 siya doon. Si Shab hitting 3.
Yeah. Yeah, laban na si Jess. He basically has to make this job.
So, pag nag-perfect to. So, may pag-asa pa tayo dito. Kasi kay Jess eh, by 1 ka ako, by 2. Diba?
It's basically
Ano?
won by playoff. That's not really won by 1 or 2. It's won by
Paano
playoff.
wala? Hello? Nandito sa 13. Nasa green ng 13. 13. Oo. 13, doon sila pinapunta. Dito, nag-cheating si Joby. Oo, gusto niyo magpunta na kayo sa Delight? Okay.
Okay, that is his sport shot. And this is just,
So, ubos na yung par niya, no?
yeah, this, Joby's playing for bogey now. Jess is playing for birdie. Give me 2 putts, Jess will win. Alright, that seems to be a formality.
Teka, dadamputin niyo ba? Ay!
Oh, binigay.
Ay!
Congratulations!
Hindi pwede yung walang 16, 17, 18. Ititigil ko yan. So, dapat yung mga regular talo na ha? Kasi inip na ha?
Yeah.
Win by play.
Yeah, it's a playoff he gave it. It's a match play actually. Congratulations, man.
Congratulations, Jeff!
Teka lang,
Champion.
mag-protest.
Oy, picture! Oh, yung tubig! Yung tubig!